In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any social media link to your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. Adding your social media links can help you expand your online presence and make your profile stand out to potential connections. Let's dive right in to see how you can do this quickly and easily. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn, so open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be prompted to sign in. You have a few options here. You can sign in using your Google or Apple account, or you can simply enter your email address and password. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you, but if you're using an email and password, make sure to enter them correctly to avoid login issues. Now, if you have two-factor authentication set up on your LinkedIn account, you might receive a prompt to verify your login. This means LinkedIn will send a code to your registered phone, which you'll need to enter to access your profile. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn profile page. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings. From here, locate and click on the small pencil icon, which is your edit profile button. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Contact Info, and then click on Edit Contact Info. In this section, you'll see various fields where you can add additional information. Look for the field that allows you to add a website URL or social media link. It's a versatile way of linking your professional LinkedIn profile to your other online platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, or your personal blog. When you're ready, carefully enter the URL of your desired social media channel or website in the appropriate field. If you'd like to go a step further, LinkedIn also allows you to add a custom button that links to your website or another relevant page. This can be an effective call to action for your profile visitors, encouraging them to learn more about you or your business. Simply create a title for the button that clearly describes where the link will lead. Once you've input all the necessary links and verified they're correct, don't forget the most important step. Be sure to click Save at the bottom of the page to ensure all your changes are properly updated on your profile. Congratulations, you've successfully added a social media link to your LinkedIn profile. This small yet significant update can greatly enhance how you connect and engage with your professional network. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Feel free to explore more ways to personalize your LinkedIn profile.